Sorry. And they were all like Bengali film critics, you know, the kind of people who study Veer Zara, do a PhD on Veer Zara about like the Pakistan-India relationship and the um, taking it to another level of
And popular
subcultural,
culture.
yeah, all this stuff. So they were talking about all that. Is this moving video? In January 2010, I was introduced to this guy, to Anand, and I was told he's making this film completely independent style and is looking to build his team. So I was introduced to him actually as a first AD. And I joined as a first AD. I started streamlining things. At that time, I was actually the only person who'd been on a film before, who'd worked, I've worked on a couple of films before Shipuk Thesis. So I was the only one who had that film experience. So I came in, started streamlining things, and then I saw that the production end of things wasn't quite in place, and I also felt the way that the film needed to be put together production-wise in terms of bringing together locations and streamlining how the crew was working, how they needed to sort of function on set, how small the crew needed to be, all those elements. There was nobody sort of spearheading that, and I felt a tremendous need for that. And I started taking that over because the film began to mean so much to me. I had read the script, of course, and was completely blown by it. And I felt it had to really be made the way that Anand had in mind. In terms of locations, so let's say the narrow lanes in Kurla that we were shooting in, where the car gets stuck, and it was an idea that Anand had when we were driving around, where he was like, I want to shoot a scene like this where the car gets stuck, and there's a conversation happening during this episode where the car is stuck in these narrow lanes. So I was like, you can't shoot here. Like you'll block the traffic. There's like, I was completely like, look at like how are we going to shoot here? Then we had an idea. We went to the legislature there, I think the local political party, and we told them that we're a student group, and which luckily all of us looked like. We're a student group, and that we are making a film to encourage people, like discourage people from buying larger cars. That we're encouraging small cars. And of course, the political, party, those members were really, like, wow, you're doing a great thing, and we'll support you and stuff. So that's how we got access for that thing. When Charvak and Maitreya are walking alongside the wall, there's a wall project with these beautiful graffiti near Mahim station, and we want to shoot there. And again, I was like, there's traffic, this is a main road and stuff, and how will we get away with it? But first of all, I connected with the girl who was in charge of the wall project. She was a friend from before, and she connected me to a BMC legislator who had been very supportive of the project. I went and I met him, and I said that we want to document this art project because it's such a beautiful project that you have supported. Hey, it's good, eh? That became my permission for that shoot, where we shot that entire scene, and it became sort of an endeavor to capture, and preserve the urban culture, which is the wall project. I think shooting at Harkisan Das, I mean, it's a similar thing. That hospital is gone, and it's so beautiful. And I mean, obviously, it's destroyed now. They're rebuilding a really swank hospital in its place, which is great. But the architecture of it and the heritage of it is captured in our film, and I feel I really feel happy about that. We found the Bandra slum, which we really liked in terms of, you know, the uphill sort of climb that it involved. And even when I first went there, I just kept climbing. And that became sort of then part of the story. So we really liked the space. So this place, I said, let's not really get anything, because I didn't want to get into the police tangle. If I asked the slum committee, they would definitely connect us to, you know, make us get police permission. So I said, let's not do that. And my mistake probably that first time, because our shoot got stopped. At night when we were shooting that sequence, it was fairly late also.
बहुत बहुत थैंक यू साहब आपका, आपने इतने जल्दी सब ठीक कर दिया, सोचा भी नहीं था इतने सारे.
Everyone tried to stop our shoot, and especially the content of what was being spoken in, you know, the lines that were being spoken by Shankar that time, which was essentially that the whole thing about the kidney and 3.5 लाख की किडनी, 3.5 लाख मिले हैं किडनी के लिए, ये वो, and all this stuff. It just caused a lot of like tension there. They stopped the shoot. Even the next time we went back, I remember there was some tension, but this time like I had a letter and I was like, you know, with a stamp, and I think stamps are really important in locations. They just everything just looks official once there's a stamp on it, so that helps. Anand had a very novel approach to casting, which was really great to be a part of that process, because it was really about peopling the film with real people. I can't find another word, like just people, you know, everyday sort of people who you might cross on a street, and not people you would necessarily see on a cinema screen, which I thought was amazing.
And clap.
Shot 41.
And action.
You know, I have a classmate at Munshi and Lal.
I guess you've mentioned him before. Is he good?
No.
Part of this process, I think, sort of nudged us towards when we were casting the lawyers, that we knew that they had to be real lawyers, because, you know, actors have this notion of how lawyers behave. So called all these lawyers over and had a little, you know, sort of jamming session with the lawyers. It was so amazing, because they also contributed to what they thought was how, you know, a lawyer would behave, the kind of things a lawyer would say, and the defendant and the prosecution and the judge and all of that. It was really amazing to see that come together, and it was like completely awesome being part of that process.
Boom अंदर आया, ये wide है.
वाइड है, फुल वाइड है सर, 20 में है.
Rolling. Clap.
Sorry, X2/1.
Action.
We say this a lot, that this film has really helped us. I mean, we found each other as, you know, people who work together and people we love to work with, I think, for a lifetime now. But, and also in the process, we found ourselves. Like, I learned to produce. I started to produce something that I'd never really embarked on and never imagined I would do, because producing is thought of as such a money sort of game. And it is, but there's so much more to it. I think when I was doing it, I am still doing it, but there's so much more to it than just that. And I think I was able to manifest that and work in that way only here, only with Anand and, you know, the team that we had formed.
Wait, I was not rolling. Okay.
Oh, this is bad for my knees.
So something that's okay for your knees, वैसे.
So it's the film brought together a lot of people who you know, eventually came to realize what we want to do and how we want to engage with filmmaking in life and in general.
Line producer gives the clap.
3.y/5 take
Hey, boom, boom. ऊपर और ऊपर.
Rolling क्या?
हाँ.
3.y/5 take 1.
ये element क्या है यहाँ पे?
Okay.
Action.